In using Math Symbolic Toolbox, we use SYM and open parentheses. And as you see, it will suggest what kind of variables and parameters you need to use. To show it through an example to make it more clear, let me do this. 1 divided by half, which was this. Now, if I say symbolic 1 divided by half, you will notice that the result is now in fraction. It's no longer in decimal form. Let's do another one. Let's go symbolic 4 divided by 6. And if I calculate, it will first simplify the whole thing and then get the result. You might think doing something like 1 over half plus 4 over 6, both in parentheses included. So if I do that, you will notice that the result is in symbolic. How about I do this? 1 over 2 plus 4 over 6. And you'll notice that if a symbolic is included, then the MathLAB will calculate the whole thing as a symbolic. Because this part is not symbolic, but it's going to be summed up with a symbolic result. Therefore, MathLAB does it automatically for us. How about if we wanted to calculate some more complex examples? So if I say CLC, then let's do this. Symbolic, calculate for me symbolically what? Like 4 divided by 6 plus 5 multiplied by cube. Something like that. So I perform a calculation here, and MathLAB is going to do it according to order of operations here, and then give me the result symbolically. So if I calculate that, you see that I do have the result symbolically. How about get rid of and calculate the result? So you see that now the result is not symbolically. These are the same thing, but they're in different format. Now, what I want you to do is to look at this variable answer, and especially the format, the square, the yellow square here, while I'm going to execute the next operation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the same formula, the same command here, again to this part. So I will bring it by pressing the up arrow twice. It will bring me the command here. And now, please look at this icon, and I'm going to hit enter. You will notice that the symbol is also changed, and there is no minimum and maximum information available, and that's because we have calculated this as symbolically, and a symbol does not have the minimum maximum because it's a symbol. So by having a simple glance at this part, you will notice that what kind of variables we're dealing with in this program, and it's very handy.